Hey, today's May the 21st, 2020, and this is Annette and Phil with Fleet Authority. Today, Phil is working on a, what is this?
2003 Ford F-450, 6.0 diesel.
6.0 diesel. Okay. And he's mad at this truck today because...
And I have my COVID non-haircut. I will get a haircut soon. Air filter. You say, why does my diesel cost so much to service? To start with, the element's $150, give or take.
Just the air filter alone, the part.
Just the part. Secondary. This one is stopped up. It looks nice here, but this is the inflow side, the filtered side. It's made to have a housing here to go to the intake, a housing here to bring the air in. But they put the lock-in tab underneath. So the filter has to go in first, and then the air housing with the MAF sensor has to go in second.
Okay.
Like this.
Hold on, let me... Okay.
You see it locks in,
right,
and closes. Well, you can't put it together and then put it in the truck. So you have to install the air filter first. It's a flipping act of Congress to put these things in. Don't know what the engineers were thinking. So this is one where the mechanics get really PO'd having to deal with it. To install it, have to remove the degas bottle, which is the coolant reservoir basically. And I might be able to get this out of the way. I had to reroute some of this snowplow wiring. Whoever installed that put it right over top of the air filter. That's the gist of it. I don't know if we can do this with you there.
I'll move. I just was...
But this goes in like this. The degas bottle has to move so I can lock it in place and then hook it to the intake.
So you've put the filter in place. Then you're removing things around it to get this housing.
I've been 20 minutes doing this part. I still got to hook the rest of it up, and this is the hardest part. And it's just the air filter.
Okay, that was all for today. A little rant by Phil. Curious as to who was the genius engineer behind this design. Thanks, Ford. Have a great day.